Once you click on iMovie, a screen will pop up that welcomes you to iMovie. This is the only time that this screen will ever pop up, is the first time that you open iMovie. You can read through that, nothing too important. Go ahead and push continue, and it will take you to the home menu. In the home menu, you'll see at the very top, there are 3 different categories. There are video, projects, and theater. Video just shows you the videos that you currently have on your device. These are the videos that are saved in your Photos app. It gives you the option to click on a video and then preview it to the right side. The Projects tab is the tab that we're going to be working with mostly. Currently, the only thing that we see there is an addition sign in the middle of a box. That's how we're going to start a new project. The last tab is the Theater tab. This tab isn't very important, but we'll talk about this later. If we go back to the Projects tab, you'll see that there's a few other buttons. On the left, there's a square with an arrow in it. That button allows you to work on projects that you've worked with on other devices, like maybe your iPhone, so that you can work with it on your iPad. Anytime you forget something or have a question about what different buttons do, you can push the button in the top right-hand corner, the one with the question mark inside the circle. And this will highlight different objects on your screen and tell you what each of them do.